Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer money from Capital One to Bank of America. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your Capital One 360 checking account and Capital One credit card. Click on your Capital One 360 checking account. On this page, you will see an option for transfer money. Click on Transfer Money. Now you have to enter the required information. First, select the Transfer from account. After that, select the account you're transferring to, which is Bank of America. Next, select the frequency, transfer date and enter the amount. Below, you will see a blue text that says Add Memo. Click on Add Memo, if you want to add memo for the recipient. After entering all the required information, click on Transfer. That's how you transfer money from Capital One to Bank of America. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.